Shadowing practice. Listen carefully, then speak with me. I want you to be strong. Be strong. Be ready. Be kind. Be positive. Be happy. Be practical. Be on time. Be thankful to him. Be polite. Be quiet. Be active. Don't be emotional. Don't be sad. Don't be shy. Don't be angry at me. Don't be negative. Don't be cruel. Don't be overconfident. Have patience. Have water. Have breakfast. Have a good day. Have a sound sleep. Don't have this expired medicine. Don't have lunch so late. Don't drink water with fruit. Bring a chair. Bring a poster of your favorite artist. Pass my glasses. Take a bite. Make tea for me. Come with us. Go to bed. Brush your teeth. Fill the jug with water. Water the plants. Wash your hands. Hold my hand. Repeat after me. Sing along. Listen to this song. Put it here. Look at him. Wake up. Open the bottle. Help me with my work. Call me. Get down. Grow up. Give me your phone number. Pray for me. Clean your room. Take off your shoes. Make a wish. Find me a good match. Sit down. Stand up. Behave yourself. Keep calm. Open the window. Believe me. Tell me the truth. Respect your elders. Give me a minute. Give me an answer. Switch on the fan. Switch off the water heater. Get a haircut. Get ready to answer my questions. Be ready at 11 a.m. Get ready at 11 a.m. Do your homework. Speak your heart out. Try to ignore him. Try your best. Hurry up. Take your time. Please lend me some money. Follow the rules. Let him speak. Let them laugh. Let the water boil. Let me sleep. Make me laugh. Show some respect. Take care. Wait for me. Please return my money. Please put your phone on silent. Withdraw money from the ATM. Mind your language. Mind your step. Mind your own business. Don't mind. Don't go alone. Don't make noise. Don't scratch your head. Don't stand here. Don't hang up. Don't sleep yet. Don't open it yet. Don't hide your face. Don't make him cry. Don't blame me for your loss. Don't park your bike here. Don't trust him. Don't confuse me. Don't tickle me. Don't spoil my mood. Don't throw your socks on the bed. Don't leave your wallet on the table. I want to be a doctor. I want to become a doctor. I want to be with you. Biscuits become soggy in the rainy season. I can hear. I can cook rice. I can lift heavy dumbbells. I can thread the needle. I can speak Spanish. He can play the guitar. She can talk for hours. Alex can teach anyone. My dog can jump over a wall. You can do it. They can study without a break. We can repair a TV. Great job. Keep practicing every day. I cannot sit quietly. I can't play the piano. I can't speak like Alex. He can't read or write Arabic. She can't wear a dress by herself. Alex can't swim. You can't write poems. They can't understand my language. We can't repair broken hearts. Can you sing? Can he speak English? Can his mother walk without a stick? Can Alex change a car's tire? Can you make him laugh? Can they make lemonade? Can you solve this puzzle? Can't you see? Can't he use WhatsApp? Can't they cook at home? What can you do for me? How can you lift heavy dumbbells? Why can't you hear properly? Which question can't you answer? I can't wait. I can't drop the children to school. I can meet you after 5 p.m. He can help you. You can watch the match on TV. You can't enter the government building. Can you wait for 5 minutes before your question? Can you come at 1 o'clock? Can't you skip your meeting? Can you ask Alex to call me? You can now buy groceries on Amazon. Can't you play PUBG on a laptop? Can I ask a question? Can I sit here? Can I say something? Can I have a glass of water? Can you pass my phone? Can I have your phone number? Can I hug you? You can ask 2 questions. You can take my bike. You can't talk to me like this. You can't eat more than 2 dumplings. Can I take your pen for a minute? No, you can't. Sorry, you can't. Sorry, I need it. I can dance. He can dance. I can be flexible. I can be serious at times. I can be provoked. I can't be always wrong. It can't be true. Can you be serious? Can't you be flexible? May I ask you something? May I have your phone number? May I sit here? May I know your name? You may leave the class. You may sit here. You may come tomorrow. You may not go there. I may go to New York tomorrow. I may sleep at my friend's house tomorrow. I may take your ID for the rental agreement. I may buy new clothes from her boutique. I may have lunch with friends. I may skip his wedding. He may come to our house. She may join that company. It may rain in the evening. Alex may like my dress. You may become a TikTok star. They may watch the match at home. We may buy a new car in March. I may not spend money on a new sofa. I may not borrow money from him. I may not go to the office tomorrow. He may not like my cake. She may not marry him. It may not rain in the afternoon. Alex may not bring a gift for me. You may not get a promotion this year. They may not come to our house this week. We may not cook anything today. We may cook something today. I may be late tomorrow. He may be busy. She may be ready. It may be sunny in the afternoon. Alex may be tired. You may be surprised. They may be bored. We may be there. I may not be ready by 11 a.m. He may not be Alex. We may not be awake at 5 a.m. The room may not be clean. I might pass. I might marry her. It may rain. It might rain. He might not wear this dress. She might buy a gift for him. They might be excited to watch the match. Alex might cook for himself. May God bless you. May you become a millionaire. May all your wishes come true. May you have a happy new year. May you marry the love of your life. Please don't forget to practice after the lesson. Great job. Keep practicing every day.